My name's Ricky. It's my wife Tracy. We built the house 20 years ago. We had put a 30-year shingle on, and it only lasted 20 years. I know a lot about metal. We discussed it that this would be a lifetime deal.
Now, I know you guys experienced a little bit of damage after Hurricane Katrina. How was the aftermath of that? That's sometimes a little bit problematic.
There was a lot of contractors out there wasn't really contractors. You know how the companies were going around then, and you didn't know who was good, who was bad. You just took what you could get, and a guy come in and said he was licensed, and the guy needed the money up front. We went to work, and when we come home that day, we was left with a different color roof.
Your experience with this situation, I understand, was a whole lot better.
Oh yes, a lot better. These guys come in, they was real professional, kept the place clean. I mean, it was real quick, a day and a half it was finished.
And don't you feel good that to work with a company that's a member of the Metal Roofing Alliance kind of gives you a little of an umbrella of comfort, isn't it?
Yes, I love that. I love the fact that we can take the contract and we can pass it on to our kids, and we can get a hold to the company if we need anything. They're right there.
And you know, a lot of people talk about how a darker color roof will make a house a lot hotter, but you haven't found that to be true, have you?
No, as a matter of fact, what we've experienced since we've had it on, I have 2 units. I have an upstairs unit and a downstairs. And the upstairs unit, you know, the cold air falls. Basically, it hasn't been running near as much.
I like the fact that it didn't have the glare coming off of it, so I really like the flat on it.
And we certainly don't want another hurricane to come through or any storm, but if it does, you can probably be a little more comfortable with this versus just a regular shingle roof.
Oh yes, definitely. He said it's a 160-mile-an-hour rating on the metal.
Yeah.
That makes me feel a lot better.
Well, if it gets that high, you need to be in the car leaving anyway, right?
We're not gonna be here. We love it. It looks like a new home.